Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the area and getting the crown out of the way. This reduces weight and prevents unpredictable falls. Put on gloves, eye and ear protection, and a hard hat, and make sure an assistant watches. Begin by removing old fronds and the flower/fruit stalks with a pole saw so the top is manageable. Once done, cut the crown back to the bud using controlled cuts. The palm's soft core exposes the trunk, so you can safely proceed to sectional trunk removal. You work methodically down the trunk because palms shed weight unpredictably. Taking 2 3-foot sections keeps balance and control. Position a ladder and rope to steady yourself or the section, and make relief cuts where needed to avoid pinching the saw. Once a section is partially free, use a rope or winch to lower it safely. Do not drop heavy sections. Make sure to cut with the grain and check for embedded fibers that can bind the chainsaw. Clear chips frequently to maintain visibility and safety. You finish by addressing the stump. Grind if you want minimal disturbance, or dig out the root ball if you plan to replant. Expose the root flange, cut roots with a mattock or saw, and lever the stump out. Once removed, fill the hole with native topsoil, compact in layers, and plant or seed as desired. If you encounter very dense roots, proximity to foundations, or unexpected gas/water lines, stop and call a licensed arborist or utility professional. This is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.